Thank you. And I got the other key. So
This morning. It's the troops. How are you feeling about wearing matching t-shirts?
Loving it, man. As Celine said, it's just like we're a year 7 school group. It's fantastic. I might leave it. Hey Mules, I heard people say you can't cycle your bike up that. Looks like us.
All good? What's happening over there?
Do you want a hand? Or,
No, I don't want you to film this.
Seamless.
Right, Mons, do you want half of it?
Yeah, I'd love half of that.
No, there's
Celine did a genius move, which was go to the bakery to pick us up stuff for the train, which was delish.
Yeah, it looks like a nice bakery thing. Thank you very much.
Sorry for all the crumbs. Oh my god.
Got a bit of chocolate in my.
If everyone had a half.
It's gone.
It's gone, yeah.
Everywhere used to just be trees. Like England used to be 100% trees. We don't just walk up and down playing around the circus.
The Lithuanian national basketball team played every single Olympic Games. Only 3 other nations have also achieved this. It does not say which 3.
Surely it's going to be America, Russia, and China, surely.
Or maybe like Canada. They like basketball.
No, maybe not. Well, it's going to be America or Russia. What's the third one?
Did Russia like basketball?
Yeah. With some Cold War thing, surely. Yeah.
Yes, there you go. Where it's the last country to convert to Christianity.
Yeah.
Yes.
Got a great video here of Matt Clark sculling 9 tickets. I'm going to slow mo. Keep them with us. Oh, Miles, how are you doing?
Leave me alone.
Oh, cool.
Well, how's it going? Okay, so we just got off the train station. Got my boys behind me. We're heading to a supermarket, an Icky, to pick up some food, and we're going to get on the cycle.
That's cool. I also got some knock-off Mentos. We can say that. Don't you need to put some in my bag later? Go.
As a fun game for the day, we're all going to issue you with a precious item. Urine. That you cannot lose, you cannot break,
But we're cycling.
and you cannot leave elsewhere. That sounds like your problem to me, not mine. As Bradbury is the birthday boy, if he ever says egg, you have to get your egg out and show it fully intact. DP, I'm already worried for you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Patton, where's your egg? It's in my piss. We'd love to see. So fashion forward. Or could you see Kay just...
Oh, you know what else in this bag with this egg? Your work phone?
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh shit.
We're now like... Yeah. You can toggle the little things on the suspension things. It turns off. Yeah, them. You give them a little swirl. Apparently, how's your egg doing so far?
What do you like to know?
You enjoying the...
What do you like proof of intact egg?